Where is this place? Look at that. Imagine waking up to such beautiful scenic views. Again, folks, leo niko Kisii, doing what I love best, that is presenting apartments for rent. Now, this one here features 1 and 2 bedrooms. However, 2-bedroom units have been booked, but 1-bedroom units are available, and boy, they are spacious, well designed, amazing views. I'm telling you, the apartment itself is just along the Kisii-Nairobi Highway. Kisii-Nairobi Highway at Bobaracho, ama niseme kama Mkisii, Bobaracho. So kama uko Kisii na unatafuta 1-bedroom apartment, very modern, well, check out this one for 13,500 and others going for 15,000 Kenya shillings. Call the number on the screen. Kikuja hapa utaonyeshwa ya 13.5k na utaonyeshwa pia ya 15,000 Kenya shillings, uchague. Pia wako na shops kule mbele for 22,500 Kenya shillings. Now tuingie ndani tuzione, and then ikikufurahisha bas piga hiyo namba ambayo iko hapo kwa screen. But why not isikufurahishe? Location ni strategic, iko na parking, maji iko, nini ingine jameni? Rooms ni spacious, mambo ni mengi. Tuende ndani sasa. Alright, karibuni sasa inside the apartment. So this is a sample unit of a 1-bedroom apartment at the Boba apartment. That's the name of the apartment. And first things first, it is quite spacious. All the rooms that we'll go to, they are really spacious. So they did an open kitchen in that you have the sitting room and the cooking area in one big room. There's enough cabinetry and ample worktop space, and power provision for your cooker has been made, and the room enjoys a great amount of natural lighting. When it comes to aesthetics, the choice of the floor tiles and the wall paint are fine, allowing you to have a polite setup when combined with your items. Sindio? Then there is this corridor that I really love. So when you walk in from the main entrance, kama unafungua mlango ya balcony, you see all the way across the highway. Remember I told you the apartment is just by the Kisii-Nairobi Highway. We'll go to the balcony later, but now let's see the bedroom. It is so huge that you can actually fit 3 4x6 beds, or even 2 5x6 beds. So imagine if you have a 6x6, a king bed, then surely you will enjoy much more ample room in this bedroom. You can even add a workstation, especially if you work from home. Look at the wardrobes here. Sufficient amount of storage. Even the choice of the MDF there is polite and even creates a nice contrast with the wall paint. Sindio? One thing I love in this bedroom is the amount of natural lighting again that comes into this space, given how there are no obstructions on the outside. Imagine drawing the curtains and looking outside to the hills, over there. Just amazing. Then you have this dressing mirror, which is really important. I've seen many apartments where they forgot to fit a dressing mirror, so this is truly a bonus feature. Alright, from there we check out the bathroom, which is one large room sharing the bath and toilet seat. Nice wall tiles again. My favorite part of this design is the balcony, and better still, the balconies are massive and private. See how this apartment stands out of the crowd in this neighborhood of Bobaracho. Whether you are coming from east or west, the Boba apartment is the only structure towering above everything else here. So I find the space ideal for a couple, a young family, or even singles. Let me also add that they used a stylish lock on the main door, quite contemporary, for easy locking and opening, as opposed to ile ya kuingisha mkono for you to open your padlock. People have moved on from those types of door locks. So hanging lines are in the front of the main entrance, and actually that's better as opposed to having them on the balconies, which are on the highway side. Without clothes on the side of the highway, we are sure to maintain the aesthetics of the building. Sindio? Makes sense. Right here on the front of the apartment, they have these shops. Okay? 1, 2, 3, about 5 of them. Shops right here. So let me show you a sample shop, and they are quite spacious. Look at that. That entire space, you can do even a hardware here. Okay, it is really spacious. And another thing I love here is that they added a kitchenette. That was just a wonderful idea. So that lunchtime pale, people don't have to break and go away. No, you can always prepare your lunches right here at work. Sio kitu poa sana. And also they have an ensuite, so they have a washroom here. Okay, so this one for now, kuna vile haijamaliziwa vizuri, but there is the ensuite as well. So you have a washroom. Every shop has got a washroom, individual washroom, and of course a kitchenette, which is just awesome. And then right here at the back, again, they have access to a rear balcony. Okay, even the shops, look at that. This is just amazing. And even if you happen to wash some items, maybe you have a barber shop here or a salon, and you need space for hanging your towels, of course. Exactly. So even the shops, they have hanging lines as well. It was just well thought out. Okay, these shops here, well thought out. Kitchenette, washroom, balcony, hanging lines, and then look, proximity to the highway. Not proximity, you are right on the highway. You are right on the highway right here. That is Kisii-Nairobi Highway. Now, of course, you have ample parking, for your shops, and even tenants, they have ample parking on the inside. So surely, nini ingine nakosa hapa? Leta biashara, brand new apartment for rent. They also had 2 bedrooms, but I'm told the 2 bedrooms are fully booked. So just the 1 bedroom, some 1 bedrooms, and also the shops, some shops are also available. Okay, prime location indeed. Prime location for one to do business.
Kwa majina naitwa Ibrahim, nafanya kazi ya movers. Nimeleta mteja hapa. Pia mwenye anataka pia atanipigia kwa hii namba 0725282075. Naitwa Ibrahim.
Thank you Ibrahim. So guys, pigia Ibrahim akufanyie moving. Ameleta tu mteja hapa saa hii as we were on the ground shooting. Amemaliza, so he was about to be on his way. Nikasema jumtaniuliza movers, wacha pia ni wa hook up na movers. Now in conclusion, if you are in Kisii and you are looking for 1 bedroom moja murwa kabisa, this apartment here, they have them. Okay, 1 bedroom, they are spacious, ample parking, plenty of water, prime location. I can just go on and on and on about the good things of this apartment here. If you are also looking for commercial space, I've shown you the shops right there. You're right on the highway. Come and do business. So up to that point, call the number on the screen for viewing and even booking, and subscribe to this channel. Name is Ezra Ondara, content creator based in the city of Nakuru. However, if you call me anywhere, like you see today, I'm in Kisii. Typically, I'm based in Nakuru, but wherever the job calls, I will go. So mpaka hapo, see you in the next one. Wacha tuende tukule lunch hapa Kisii, tusikie chakula ya Kisii namna gani. All right.